इस रेसिपी को उर्दू में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक को क्लिक करें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू अस्मा's किचन। आई एम अस्मा। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर रियली यम्मी रेसिपी ऑफ दही बड़े. Give this recipe a try and let me know your feedback. And for your assistance, there is recipe card in the end of the video. So here are the ingredients you will need. White lentils 1 cup, 4 to 5 hours soaked in water. Split green gram half cup, 4 to 5 hours soaked in water. Milk 1 cup, garlic 3 cloves, onion 1 small chopped, ginger 1 inch piece sliced, corn flour 1 tablespoon, sugar 1 tablespoon, walnuts 2 tablespoon chopped, roasted and grinded white cumin seeds, chaat masala, chili powder as required, yogurt 1 kilogram whipped. Now in a blender, take white lentils, then add split green gram, onion, garlic, ginger and 1/4 cup of water and cover it and blend it well. Then take out this mixture in a bowl, keep it aside. Then take oil in a wok, heat it up, and with the help of tablespoon, make dumplings by adding separately this mixture into warm oil. And oil should be medium hot and keep your flame on medium heat. After 5 minutes, take a knife and poke every dumpling and change its side as well. That's how they will be cooked properly from inside and outside. And then let them to become golden brown in color from every side. Now they are golden brown in color. Take them out and put them directly into water, and water is on room temperature, and make all the dumplings with the rest of mixture in same way. And let the dumplings be soaked in water for 5 to 10 minutes. After this, I have almost 2 to 3 liter water, and I am adding 4 tablespoons of yogurt and mix it. Then take a dumpling, lightly press it so that excess water come out of it, then put it into yogurt water. This process is very necessary to keep dumplings soft. Now all dumplings are into yogurt water. Now add corn flour in yogurt and add sugar and add milk and mix it. And mix it really well. It's done. Now fill your serving dish with yogurt. Then with same process, add dumplings into yogurt. Take a dumpling, press it lightly with both hands. It will release all excess water, then add it into yogurt. Then garnish and serve dahi bade with sweet tamarind relish. And with spicy tamarind relish. You can get both recipes in description. Must try dahi bade with these relishes. They will double the flavors. And in last, garnish it with chopped walnuts, chaat masala, chili powder, and roasted and grinded white cumin seeds. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. Subscribe to my channel Asma's Kitchen. Hit the like button. Share this video and continue to watch my other videos and playlists. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching.